Hello everyone. Today I made a very interesting observation when I was trying to solve certain equations containing square root which is multiplied by an integer, something like what I show here. N is an integer and square root of x. It's very interesting. It's nothing spectacular but quite simple, but I found it quite interesting. Let me show you by a very simple set of numbers. I could have written down in parallel while making the video, but unfortunately my camera was focusing on my hand instead of the numbers that I was trying to write here. So let's take the first example. So let's see the take 4 multiplied by square root of 10. This can be rewritten as square root of 4 square multiplied by 10. So it's just a product in the square root. So it's just when you take the square root of 4 square would be 4, so 4 times square root of 10. That's what I have written down here. So 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 10 is 160. Let's take another simple example. If you take 7 times square root 3, you could rewrite it as 7 square multiplied by 3 in the whole taken under the whole square root. So 7 times root 3 would be square root of 7 square, that would be 49 times 3, 49. If you take 53 times, this would be 150, but it is 49. If you subtract 3, then it should be 147. So 7 times root 3 is square root of 147. The same way, I show two more examples in one step. 5 times root 8 would be square root of 5 square multiplied by 8. So 25 times 8 is 200. So 5 times root 8 is basically square root of 200. So 10 times square root of 12 would be the same way, 12 multiplied by 10 square. So that would be 100. 100 times 12 is 1200. So I think you would have probably guessed now, nothing special. So n times root x would be square root of x times n square. Very simple relationship. I thought this would be useful, especially in case of competitive exams where you would like to, where you one has to estimate things pretty fast, and also when you have multiple choice questions where you have multiple answers. This relationship might be very interesting. In the beginning, I mentioned n as an integer. So if you come back, so n is really can be an integer, it could be plus or minus, because you could take the plus or minus outside. So in principle, it should be plus or minus n should be equivalent to plus or minus square root of x times n squared. Quite interesting. Simple, but I found it quite interesting and I thought I would share with you guys. If you like it, if you have questions, if you like to make comments, please do comment in the comment section. That's it for now. Thank you. Bye.